Imagine that. I hit my time limit again. I thought I'd be done. I really did. So, we're on the 5th video now. All right. Well, that's the way it goes. So, I double clicked on my white, ABS white design here. And see in the colors over here, there are shades of gray. And I'm finding a shade that's a little too dark. I'm experimenting. That's still a little too dark. That's not bad right there. And that's the base of the shade of gray I want. So that's in place, done. And that's modified the color that I dropped on the body. Now I want to apply an appearance to each one of the buttons. Let's flip back over to my original design. Let me pull this over and close. So I went blue, red, yellow, and green, and these are black. So, button 1. Let's right click, apply appearance. All right. Move this back over here. Drag this and drop it onto the button. There it is, set as white, but I don't want it white. I want it blue, so let's double click. Let's go to the blues. Let's drag this little slider over. There's my blues. Let's select a blue over here. Click. It's too dark. Let's make it brighter. You can do what you want. Done. And there, that's blue. All right. I'm going to do my directional button, and then I'm going to leave it to you to finish. So right click on direction. Let's close this. I'm in the way down there. So let's right click on direction. Appearance. Opens the appearance palette. I'm going to drag this and drop it onto the button there. And I want that to be black. So let's go down here in this very bottom right. Let's set it to black. There we go. Done. Now, I can take this and drag it onto the A button. And I can drag it onto the B button, and they turn black. So I've got those in place. You go and change the other 3 buttons, and you are done with this project. Take your screenshot. And for your screenshot, I want a screenshot from the home position, but I want your bodies and sketches in the browser to be expanded so I can see that you renamed your bodies. Okay, I need to close this for my sketch so that I can see when I take my screenshot who I am, and you'll be good. Sorry this one took so long, but I think it's a good introduction. You see a lot of different tools, and you see how the whole process works, beginning to finish in a design, and what we'll be doing in class. Have a good day, guys. Talk to you soon. Flip over and turn her off.